iba't ibang team. I found yung fiesta lang is very unique. Parang hindi kasi masyado yung madami yung gumagawa sa kanya. Aside from that, I want her to have something to look back na part of being Filipino.
Pinapili namin binigyan namin siya ng dalawang option, barn or fiesta. And siya mismo yung pumili ng fiesta, ginapang niya yung fiesta. So hindi lang nang happen once, twice pa. So sabi namin, baka ito talaga yung gusto niya.
Sayaw, sayaw, sumasayaw ang langit kay raming dahilan upang magdiwang tayo ay pinag-isa ng langit, lupa, kalikasan at kultura. Sayaw, sayaw, sumasayaw ang langit kay raming dahilan upang magdiwang tayo ay pinag-isa ng langit, lupa, kalikasan at kultura.
Like a brand new pair of jeans. I feel like taking chances.
Yung una kasi firstborn. Sobrang happy lang kami nung nalaman namin nung gender reveal na girl nga yung namin, magiging anak. Tapos sobrang talaga kami, surprise, shock, and very, very happy.
Tapos yung Athea, it means gift from God. So for me talaga, ang wini-wish ko lang talaga nun is sana i-bless kami ng baby. Tapos hindi ko alam na bibigay na siya agad, ganun. Tapos ayun, so for us talaga, Luna is really a gift from God. So hindi namin talaga magawang i-drop yung Athea sa name niya. And then Audriana, it means nobility and strength.
Like when I close my eyes and don't even care if anyone sees me dancing. Like I can fly and I don't even think of touching the ground. Like a heartbeat skip, like an open page, like a one-way trip on an airplane.
Actually masayahing bata din siya. Very happy daddy ako kasi nga sa cheerful baby. Growing up, nakikita ko sa kanya na bukod sa nakawig daw kami. Kasalanan ni mami yun. Pinagdasal niya kasi na maging kamukha ko daw, so nahingay na ngayon kanya matapal. Pero yun, growing up, nakikita ko siya na maging masayahan at saka very attentive. Very nitpicky. Mga nakikita niya yung mga maliliit na bagay, yun yung mga pinagtutunan niya na pansin. Usually yung mga mali, mga kulay na kakaiba, dun sa nagpo-focus. So, nakikita ko sa kanya in the future na magiging rin to talagang feeling ko magiging madiskarte yung bata sa paglaro.
Like when I close my eyes and don't even care if anyone sees me dancing. Like I can fly and I don't even think of touching the ground. Like a heartbeat skip, like an open page, like a one-way trip on an aeroplane. It's the way that I feel when I'm with you. Brand new.
She's very happy, very decisive siyang bata. Pagka tinanong namin siya kung ano yung gusto niya, talagang she expresses kung okay sa kanya, kung gusto niya, kung ayaw niya. Tapos, yun yung isa sa mga qualities na nakuha niya from her dad. Very decisive. Tapos, very happy and cheerful din siya. Very friendly. Madami nagsasabi na ang friendly niya na bata. Lang siya, shy siya sa umpisa, titingnan ka lang niya, pero once na nag-warm up siya sa'yo, as in, sobrang lagi ka niya nangingitian, gano'n. Makikipaglaro siya, siya yung mag-i-initiate ng playtime, gano'n.
Like I can fly and I don't even think of touching the ground. Like a heartbeat skip, like an open page, like a one-way trip on an aeroplane. It's the way that I feel when I'm with you. Brand new.
happy first to so many birthdays to come. And your mommy and I are so blessed to have you in our lives, our miracle baby. And you know, ang wish lang sa'yo ni Daddy is always to be healthy and strong. And syempre, yun nga, huwag magkakasakit. And yun, magiging matulungin at saka maging magalang sa mga makakatanda sa'yo. I also pray that you become contented with what you have growing up and never compare yourself to others. Syempre, naman, yun yung secret to Daddy to happiness. Yun, I love you, anak!
Like a heartbeat skip, like an open page, like a one-way trip on an aeroplane. It's the way that I feel when I'm with you. Brand new.
Coming into our life. You are the greatest gift that we have ever received. Sabi nga nila, kapag ka nag-asawa ka, and lalo na pag naging mommy ka, nagiging prayerful ka. And that's what you did to us. You made us closer to God. You made us more prayerful. Ang wish ko lang for you is that sana lumaki ka na mabait, mapagmahal, happy, and of course, healthy. And I wish na sana God will surround you with the right people who will love you, care for you, and protect you, and accept you for who you are. I love you!